The time now is 12 noon on this Thursday afternoon, February 27th, 2014. Time now for the whatever just your PJ Wiggins on Noontime Report. Thursday, February 27th, 2014. Good afternoon, everybody. Our current conditions at 12 noon in Norton, Massachusetts. Got a temperature of 29 degrees with broken clouds with a humidity of 43%. Wind speed 8 miles per hour to the southwest with a dew point about 9 degrees and visibility 10 miles. Okay, let's take a look at our radar scope. Each show's got a little bit to little snow showers around the Providence area and stretching it down for southwest Rhode Island and stretching out southeast Massachusetts and stretching down for Connecticut, eastern Connecticut and down for Long Island and
students to take public transportation. And another blast of Arctic cold air.
Stretching it down to western Massachusetts and stretching it down for Long Island, down to New York City, down to New Jersey, and stretching west to the western Berkshires, down for Vermont, and stretching to New York and Pennsylvania.
Good afternoon, everyone.
And stretching it down to northeastern Ohio, and stretching it down to northern Indiana, and down for western portions of Michigan, and a couple of batches of snow showers around Portland, Maine, snow showers in the eastern portions of New Brunswick, down for central portions of Nova Scotia and the eastern portions of Nova Scotia, snow showers in the eastern portions of Prince Edward, snow showers in the southeastern portions of Quebec, western portions of Quebec, snow showers in the northeast portion of Wisconsin and down to central UP and Michigan. Rain showers off the Florida coastline, northern Florida coastline. Rain showers in the southern portions of Florida. Couple of batches of rain showers off the northeastern coast of Mexico. Here. Couple of batches of rain showers in southern portions of California around San Diego and then Tijuana, Mexico. A lot of sleet and rain and snow showers in the Sierras of California and stretching out in northern California. Batches of rain, sleet, and snow showers in California. Rain and sleet and snow showers from Nevada, down from northwestern Arizona, and down for Utah, down for western Colorado, and stretching down for western Wyoming, and down for southern Idaho, stretching down for northern portions of Oregon, and stretching down the eastern portions of Washington State, and Idaho down for western portions of Montana. And the snow showers in the southern British Columbia, southern Bristol, British Columbia, down for southern portions of Alberta. Chinook, Montana. Good evening, good afternoon. 11 degrees with clear skies here. Alright, let's take a look. Snow showers in northeastern North Dakota here. Batch of clouds from eastern Mexico down to the Gulf of Mexico, down from Florida, stretching down in the Atlantic Seaboard and covering much of New England and down for the eastern Great Lakes here and up in Ontario and Quebec and stretching it down through northern Wisconsin and Minnesota. And another batch of clouds from northern California down for Nevada, down for Utah and Colorado, stretching on Wyoming down for Montana and to the Pacific Northwest down for British Columbia British Columbia down for Alberta down for Saskatchewan down for Manitoba and North Dakota here. Alright, let's take a look at our map situation here.
Reporting live from the south end.
High pressure center in the eastern portions of Texas and off the California coast of California. Low pressure off the Oregon coastline, western Idaho and eastern Ontario. Stationary front from low pressure with a stationary front from Alberta, stretching it down from Montana, down for Wyoming, and stretching it down for western Nebraska, down for Kansas, down for Missouri, down for southern Illinois and Indiana, and down Ohio. Warm front down for eastern Kentucky and pink front from eastern Ohio, down for Ontario. Here, front of boundary stretching in eastern Ontario. Front of boundary from eastern portions of Quebec, down for New Brunswick, and down for central Nova Scotia. Here, cold front stretching down for California and down for Nevada, pink front for eastern Nevada, down for Idaho. It's 21 degrees out temperature right now in Boston. It's 35 in Washington D.C. 32 in Atlanta, 74 in Miami, 46 in Brownsville, 37 in Dallas, 17 in Kansas City, 5 above in Chicago, 11 below in Minneapolis, 44 in Denver and Albuquerque, 52 in Salt Lake City, 55 in San Francisco, 58 in Los Angeles, 24 in Great Falls, Montana, and 43 in Seattle.
27 degrees right now.
Okay, let's take a look at our current conditions around the region. It's 25 in Boston, 17 in Bedford, 21 in Beverly, 22 in Gloucester, 23 in Norwood, 27 in Taunton and New Bedford, 20 in Martha's Vineyard, 27 in Falmouth and in Chatham and Provincetown, 23 out in Buzzards Bay, 27 in Warwick, Tiff Green, 20 in Wesley, 30 out in Block Island and New London, 32 in New Haven, 31 in Bridgeport, 25 in Danbury, 27 in Waterbury and in Meriden, 27 in Hartford, 21 in Windsor Locks, 21 in Webster, 22 in Southbridge, 25 in Milford, 18 in Worcester, 20 in Fitchburg, 18 in Orange, 21 in Greenfield, 18 in Amherst, 19 in Springfield, 18 in Pittsfield, 20 out in North Adams, 19 in Albany, 31 in New York City, 33 in Islip, 31 in Montauk, 20 in Bennington, 19 in Keene, 17 in Concord, New Hampshire, 18 in Manchester, New Hampshire, 21 in Nashua, and 21 in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. Here. Alright, let's take a look at our HPC forecast discussion for the country. Here.
Really starts pushing its way back into the forecast. We have some chilly temperatures to talk about tonight. Look how low it's going to get. Down
high impact systems barrage, California. Heavy mountain storms likely in the Sierras and Central Rockies, and mid-winter cold bites down again on the eastern two-thirds of the United States. The current system moving throughout California and Nevada today is the appetizer of the larger rain course coming on Friday. For both will provide much needed rainfall. Widespread light to moderate rain and higher elevation snow will push throughout the Great Basin today, but gradually diminishing coverage and intensity. The system should move through Colorado overnight and then onto the several plains on Friday, where some light rain and wintry mix made about. To the north, an Arctic boundary will continue with its trek eastward and southward. Ashton and never blast of generally light cold to the northern and central plains and point state. Temperatures will likely stay below zero for much of Minnesota today, while the upper Midwest as a whole will struggle to reach higher than just a single digits, which is about 30 to 40 degrees below average for the end of February. By Friday, the cold will spread eastward, but also reach far westward as the cold front eases over the Sakata Divide, the northern Idaho, and the northeastern Washington. Temperatures in northern Montana on Friday will fall flat today and plunge into the 30s below zero Friday night. An heavy pulse out of Canada will occur to surface eastward on Friday for the North Dakota, South Dakota, and in the Minnesota west some light snow. On Friday, a vigorous Pacific system will creep steadily closer to California with the guts of a second part of the recent 1-2 punch. Heavy rain, thunderstorms, and gusty winds, and possibly several feet of snow in the mountains will be a very real threat to the system. The cold front should be passing in Nevada by late Friday, but the trail and main surface low will be continuing to maintain showers throughout the Golden State on Saturday. Not to be overlooked, the Arctic boundary in the north, draped along in the mountains in Wyoming and Colorado, will keep a long duration snow event over the terrain. Strong Canadian high pressure to the north will somewhat windy conditions be on the front, which will blow and drift into snow favored areas. Okay, let's take a look at our forecast discussion for New England here. An Arctic front will bring a chance of snow showers and squalls this afternoon, followed by bitter cold tonight and Friday with wind chills dropping way below zero. Light snow is again possible Saturday into Sunday by significant winter storm centered around Monday. Unseasonably cold and dry conditions continue throughout the end of next week. Here.
additional opportunity.
Upper shortwave over the New England moving Arctic front at the northeast temperature coming in the shortwave with our area in the left east region, which means sufficient dynamics to support lift. Meanwhile, radar shows an area of showers moving up from Delmarva, but surface observations show low dew points and no precipitation.
We're just learning about the idea. It's getting
Late Martin Bay says the Arctic front in the eastern Great Lakes snow showers reported along the front with 1.5 mile visibilities at times. 12Z LA Sendon showed an automatic collapse rate from 900 millibars up to 750 millibars, inversion below. Winds in an elevated mix clear off 25-35 knots, mixing in 900 millibars would tap into this and to bring gusty southwest winds this afternoon. Sendon also showers pretty of dry air below 853 millibars. Any precipitation following the 5,000 feet of dry air is going to have a tough haul to the surface. They update adjust temperatures a little, but Sendon profiles should support maximum temperatures of 20 to around 30, which is similar to the current forecast, only minor tweaks to temperature at this point and further pops out. Exact time and maybe a couple of hours past. Popular values in the 30s look for reasonable spin time. Good time next, but dry air. We will stay with these values for now.
getting onto MBTA models in those different cities, and they say they are not paying for the fares in those particular cities. Reporting live from Boston, Kimberly Bookman, WCBB, Center 5.
All right, Kimberly, a Boston rapper accused of trying to...
Okay, maximum temperatures will be in the 20s for much of the region, with 30s in the southeastern Massachusetts and Cape Islands, and down for the southern Rhode Island and Connecticut and Long Island. Wind chill advisories from central and northern Worcester County down for western Massachusetts and southern Vermont. And tonight, Souls. Single digits for much of the region, with below zero temperatures for central and western parts of Massachusetts, Vermont, and New Hampshire. And teens for the southeastern Massachusetts coastline, down for southeast Massachusetts coastline, Cape Islands, and southern Rhode Island here. And wind chills Friday morning, below zero readings for much of the region here on Friday morning. So it's going to be a frigid morning in town.
And glass containers. The mayor says.
And the bandit, those are runners that are running without a number. If you're in the
How's this weather outlook, Gare?
so they don't even bother running.
Day 1 today, tonight, snow squalls will be possible at times today, which could yield rapid reduction of the visibility at accumulating snowfall. Days 2 for 7, Friday for Wednesday. There'll be a moderate probability of a winter storm centered around Monday, day which bring significant mountain snows with a possibility of winter weather headlines here. Stay tuned for further updates here. This afternoon, scattered snow showers, mainly before 5 p.m. Most skies high near 20 degrees southwest wind about 10 to 50 miles per gust, 29 miles per chance of precipitation, 30%. Low to no circulation expected tonight. Most clouds got low in 7 degrees. Wind chill values as low as 5 below. West wind about 11 to 15 miles per gust size, 31 miles per hour. Friday, sun skies down near 24 degrees. Wind chill values as low as 6 below. West wind about 8 to 11 miles per hour, gust size 21 miles per hour. Friday night, podcast got low 9 degrees. West wind about 6 miles per coming evening. Saturday, part the sun skies down near 34 degrees. Calm wind coming and suffer about 5 to 9 miles per hour in the morning. Friday night, chance of snow mainly after 4 a.m. Most skies low in 27 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Sunday, chance of snow before 1 p.m. Then a chance of rain. Most skies are near 36 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Sunday night, snow likely mix. Skies low in 21 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 70%. Monday, snow likely cloud with a high near 29 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 70%. Monday night, chance of snow. Cloud skies with a low in 15 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 50%. Tuesday, part the sun skies down near 26 degrees. Tuesday night, podcast skies low in 8 degrees. And for Wednesday, sun skies down near 26 degrees. Peters with a phrase of the day. A snow shower and tap. And another cold day in town. This is BJ wishing you a good day with a good positive attitude. I'll see you at 5.